Hello, good day. I'm Jenny Anselmo from PUP in iTech. So I'm going to make a reflection video about the hydraulic system. Also what I learned about it. So the first word hydraulic na punta sa isip ko is yung hydraulic press. Since nakikita ko siya sa YouTube Shorts usually, since nanonood ako ng mga satisfying videos there, like nakikita ko yung compress ng mga, yung iba yung kinokompress na ng mga foods, toys, woods, any kind of things or object na pwede nila i-offset, and I find it satisfying also. So before that, hydraulic system. Hydraulic refers to the use of fluids to generate, control, and transmit power. It involves the use of liquid, usually oil or water, to create force and motion. Hydraulic systems are commonly used in heavy machinery, such as crane and bulldozer, as well as in the brake and steering system in automobiles. The basic principle of hydraulic system is that when force is applied to the fuel, to a fluid, it's transmitted equally in all directions. They are known for the reliability, efficiency, and ability to generate to high level of force with the relatively little input. How do hydraulic works? Hydraulic system work by using a liquid, usually oil, to transmit the power. The system consists of the reservoir, pump, valve, cylinder, and the piston. The pump draws oil from the reservoir and pushes it through the valve, which control the flow of the oil into the cylinder. The piston in the cylinder is then pushed by the oil, creating the force or the movement. The oil is returned to the reservoir to start the process again. This system is used in many applications, including heavy machineries, airplanes, or the automobiles. And this picture that I get in while I was searching, this picture is the hydraulic jack. The importance of the hydraulic system is crucial in the various industries, including the aviation, construction, and manufacturing. It uses the fluid to generate the power, which is used to operate the machinery and the other equipment. This system provides the high power density and reliability and precision. It also allows for smooth and efficient operation, reducing the wear and tear on the equipment. Without the hydraulic system, many industries would be not able to function efficiently and safely. The hydraulic system consists of the various valves and the components that work together to transfer energy through a fluid. These components include the pumps, the cylinder, motor, hotors, and filters. The valves control the flow of the fluid and the direction of the energy transfer. First is the hydraulic circuit, is the system that uses the pressure the fluid to transfer the power. It is composed of the pump and reservoir valves and actuators and the hydraulic fluid. The valves draw fluid from the reservoir and pushes it through the valves and the actuator, which convert the fluid pressure into the mechanical force, and the fluid then returns to the reservoir to complete the circuit. For the hydraulic pumps are the mechanical device that convert the mechanical power into the hydraulic energy. They work by the using of the piston or gear to create the pressure in fluid, typically oil or water, which is then used to power to other hydraulic equipment. The pumps draw fluid into its chamber where it compresses with the force throughout the outlet. Hydraulic motors are mechanical devices that convert hydraulic pressure and the flow into the torque and rotation. They work by receiving the pressurized fluid from the hydraulic pump and directing it to the set of the hydraulic cylinder, which in turn rotate a shaft. The rotation of the shaft is then transferred to a mechanical system, such as a gearbox or a wheel. The amount of torque generated by the hydraulic motor is directly proportional to the amount of the fluid pressure and the flow supplied to it. Lastly, the hydraulic cylinder are the mechanical device that use the pressurized the fluid to produce the linear force and the motion. They work by converting the energy from the fluid into the mechanical force that moves a piston within the cylinder. The fluid is typical oil or water and is stored by a reservoir until it needed. When the cylinder is activated, the fluid is pumped into the cylinder, which causes the piston to move. The force and the speed of the piston can be controlled by the adjusting the pressure and the flow rate of the fluid. There are the several risks associated with the safety training courses in the hydraulic system. First, the improper training can lead to the serious injury or even the facility due to the high pressure and the force involved by the hydraulic system. And second is the inadequate training can result in damage to the expensive equipment, causing the significant financial losses. Lastly is the lack of the proper training can lead to efficient use of the hydraulic system, resulting in the decreasing the productivity and the increase the downtime. Now is the advantage and disadvantage of the hydraulic system. First is the advantages of the hydraulic system. Since there are many advantages, first is that they are easy to control and accurate and simpler. Also, they are easy to maintain. And one of the main of the advantage is their ability to generate the high power with the relatively low input. This makes them ideal for heavy the machinery and the equipment. Additionally, meron din silang hydraulic system, the highly reliable and required to minimal maintenance. They also have the long lifespan and can withstand the harsh environment. Also, for the disadvantage, one of the main drawbacks is their potential for leaks, which can lead to loss of the hydraulic fluid and decrease the performance. Another disadvantage is the complexity of the system, which can make repairs and maintenance more difficult and time-consuming. Also, if once the oil leaks, there are also the slippery surface and increase the accident risks. So that overall, the hydraulic system offer many the advantages but also have some drawbacks that must be considered. Careful the maintenance and operation can help to can help to mitigate this disadvantage to ensure the longevity and reliability of the system. In conclusion, hydraulic systems are widely used in various industries due to their efficiency and reliability. They work by transmitting the force through a liquid, which allows for the precise control and the smooth operation. Hydraulic systems are commonly found in the heavy machinery, aircraft, and even the amusement park rides. With the proper maintenance and care, hydraulic system can provide years of the dependable services.